Do you know that in pursuit of wealth and financial success, there are some hidden paths waiting to be discovered? Well, in this video, we embark on a quest to uncover mysterious strategies that can help you achieve riches beyond imagination. These mysterious strategies, often hidden in the shadows, hold the potential to transform one's financial status. So, buckle up and get ready to unravel the secrets of these mysterious strategies for getting rich. Number 1. Using the power of intuition. Intuition, that elusive gut feeling, can guide us towards extraordinary opportunities. Successful individuals have credited their riches to trusting their instincts. So explore how honing your intuition and listening to your inner voice can lead you down a mysterious yet prosperous path. Learn to tap into your subconscious wisdom and unlock the hidden potential of intuitive decision making. Number 2. Harnessing the energy of the law of attraction. The law of attraction, a mysterious force that operates in our universe, states that like attracts like. So, understanding and channeling this energy can magnetize wealth in your life. Explore techniques such as visualization, affirmation, and gratitude to align your thoughts and actions with your financial goals, ultimately manifesting abundance beyond your wildest imagination. Number 3. The art of serendipity. Sometimes unexpected encounters and fortunate events can pave the way to riches. So embrace the power of serendipity and learn to create opportunities where luck can find you. Explore how cultivating a curious mindset, networking effectively, and being open to new experiences can lead you down unforeseen paths towards unimaginable wealth. Number 4. The hidden knowledge of alternative investments. Beyond the traditional stock market lies a world of mysterious alternative investments. So learn to venture into realms such as real estate, rare collections, art, and angel investing. Uncover the secrets of these lesser known investment opportunities and learn how they can potentially generate significant returns, providing a unique avenue to amassing wealth. Number 5. Daring to dream using the power of visualization. One mysterious strategy that has transformed the lives of many successful individuals is the power of visualization. By vividly imagining their desired wealth and success, they create a mental blueprint that guides their actions towards achieving it. This practice harnesses the law of attraction and fuels motivation, helping individuals manifest their dreams into reality. So to conclude, embarking on a journey into the unknown can be both thrilling and rewarding. By embracing mysterious strategies for getting rich, you open doors to unconventional paths that hold immense potential. In the quest for wealth, remember that taking calculated risks through research and seeking professional advice are also essential for success. Let the mystery guide you, but always approach it with wisdom and discernment. So, get going to embark on this extraordinary journey into the unknown and unlock the secrets of getting rich. This brings us to the end of this video. Hit on the like if you have enjoyed the video and learned some valuable lessons from it. Lastly, do not miss to subscribe to the channel hitting the bell notification icon, and we will see you in the next video.